Must meet the NHRA tech inspection. Here, I didn't even hear any noise. You drivers are a slope back there. Oh, there we go. Here we go. It's diesel smoking time. First round eliminations coming up. By 200 to the second on a red light start. Aaron Musin in the right lane from Forest Grove, your winner at 62 miles an hour. Now I kind of tell you that the problem we're going to have here is the windows are so small to write their number and their dial in. And it's hard to see, the mirrors are in the way. Okay, there we go. We can see their numbers now. John Boyd, Bend, Oregon in the right lane, and Chris Kettleberg and the Sweet Home left lane. Lane's a winner at 20.50 at 71 miles an hour. Ross Cribbs, Dallas in the right lane. Mike Emerson, Hood River. Side by side. You know, you think just because they're driving a truck, it'd be boring. But that adrenaline runs. We come out here one time and had some rent-a-cars from the local dealers here. And it's a rush to go racing in it, even after you've raced years and years ago. Left lane's the winner with an 1896 at 68 miles an hour. Gerald Hilsey, Sweet Home in the left lane, and James Wolf from Rollport. And the Rollport Racers, a winner, James Wolf. You look over here, big old Red Bull shining. So the diesel smoke left a little soon for Gerald Hilsey. Dan Stinson, 2289 from Milwaukee, Oregon. I'm not believing it. The diesel smoke and the tire smoke rolls here this afternoon. Oh, Ronnie Goodell, red lit fight. He got too much traction. His truck hooked up from that burnout, and he left 5/100ths of a second too soon. Automatic winner goes to Dan Stinson. Ronnie Goodell, Toledo, is out of here. Clint Henry from Molalla, 96 Peterbilt, and Lee Hoffenbrittel from Grand Ron over there in the latest lane. Okay, any truckers that are coming, your time has expired. Any truck racers that are still in hell are now up for sale. There was 3 of them originally, so if you want that t-shirt, now's the time to go. Left-hand side. Right lane, Clint Tingler from Molau, your winner at 22.43 reaction time of a 14.14. Robert Wolf coming up next from Wallport, Oregon. Sid Van Dyke, Kaiser, Oregon. We jokingly call it Keezer once in a while. Keezer for the old geezers, but this is a young whippersnapper, 28 years old, in the left lane. Talk about old geezers in the right lane. Robert Wolf from Wallport is an old geezer at 78 years young. And he's doing that trick like he knows what's going on. He's got the experience. He's got the age. Can he get the win? He had the reaction time and he takes the win. He is older than his miles per hour. His miles per hour is 65. He has got that covered by a number of years at age 78, your winner. Put your hands together when they come down the return road. Bob Flatt, Philomath, Oregon in the right lane. Rob Warfield from Toledo. Got the trucks. And left lane for Rob Warfield. Over in the latest lane, your winner. Next pair, John Goodell, Philomath. Grant Cribb, Dallas.